Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error Vanguard not initialized with error code 57. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, head over to the settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option time and language. Now click on the option date and time. From here, make sure that your date and time is exact and your time zone must be your local time zone. If not, make sure you select the local time zone and set the date time automatically. You must turn both these options on. Once done, right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now in services menu, press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it. Now if service status is stopped, you need to click on the start option to start the service at once, and in startup type, make it automatic. Once it is done, hit apply and OK button. Now again press the V key and make sure under the status it must be running. If it is still stopped, again right click and choose the option restart to restart the VGC service and then relaunch the Roet client and then Valorant to fix out the issue of Vanguard not initialized with error code 57. If this failed to work out, in next step, click on start menu, type CMD, choose the option run as administrator. In this method, we are going to flush the DNS. So type in ipconfig /release. Second command is ipconfig /renew and hit the enter key. And thirdly is ipconfig /flush DNS and hit the enter key. Once you have done with these three commands, make sure to restart your PC, and once your system restart, relaunch the Valorant to fix out the issue of Vanguard not initialized with error code 57. If this also failed to work out, again open run command and this time type in ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now here, whichever your Wi-Fi connection is, right click and choose option properties. Here, first of all uncheck TCP/IP v6. Now click on the option TCP/IP v4 and click on the properties option. Now we are going to use the Google DNS. So from here, choose the second option and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS type in 8.8.4.4. Once you have done so, hit OK and close it. Again open CMD, run as administrator and type a command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit the enter key. Once done, again relaunch your Valorant to fix out the issue of error code 57 while launching the game. Now if these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step, click on start menu, type CMD, choose the option run as administrator. Now before proceeding with the commands, make sure to exit the Roet Vanguard and Roet client services from your PC. Even from system try icon also, it must be running over here. So simply right click and choose the option exit. After completely closing Roet client, Roet Vanguard and Valorant, type here two commands one by one. First one is scdelete VGC and hit the enter key. Now second command is scdelete VGK and hit the enter key again. After entering both the commands, close it. Now make sure to restart your PC because restarting the PC is a compulsory step to fix out this issue. After restarting, head over to this PC, C drive, program files. Here find a folder with the name Roet Vanguard. Right click and choose the option delete. You can see the folder is not deleted. It is because I have not restarted my PC. So make sure you restart your PC and then delete this Roet Vanguard folder. After deleting the Roet Vanguard folder, you need to relaunch Roet client. Go ahead and log in with your account. Now once you are logged in, you will find an option of update. Go ahead, click on the option update, and once the game is updated, your issue of Vanguard not initialized with error code 57 will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.